A day in the life of a soldier. Today, I'm going to take you through a typical day in my life. No stock pick used. First things first, I wake up at the crack of dawn and start my day with some physical training. As a soldier, staying in shape is crucial. We have to be ready for anything. Back to the barracks to get ready for the day. After PT, it's time to get cleaned up and head to our mission briefing. Briefing room with other soldiers. During the briefing, we get updated on the latest intel and plan our next mission. Performing maintenance on his equipment. Once the briefing is over, it's time to prepare our gear and make sure everything is in working order. Eating lunch with his fellow soldiers. Lunchtime is always a good chance to catch up with my squad mates and recharge for the rest of the day. Voiceover. After lunch, it's time to head out on patrol. We have to stay vigilant at all times. As the day winds down, it's important to take care of ourselves and get some rest. Winding down for the night and getting ready for bed. Tomorrow will be another busy day. Thanks for joining me for a day in the life of a soldier. Stay safe out there. Subscribe Daily Facts for more such informative shorts.